Let's take one example. 3 raised to the power 4 is equal to 81. So 3 raised to the power 4 is nothing but 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So if we multiply 3 4 times, we get 81. Now log is one simple way to find the exponents or the power, that is 4 here. In the given example, I have already shown you that it's 3 raised to the power 4 is 81. But if this 4 is not given, then using the logarithm, we can find the power or the exponents on a given base. And what is base? 3 is the base. Here, 3 is the base, 4 is the exponent or the power, and 81 is the argument. Now let's compare it the way we write using the logarithm. So we will write log 81 to the base 3 is equal to 4. Here again 3 is your base, as you can see. 81 is called the argument and 4 is the exponent or the power. Now the general formula becomes, if a is raised to the power x is equal to n, then the value of x is equal to log n to the base a. So instead of 81 here, I have written n. And for the base 3, I have a. So this is the general formula. And what is x here? X is nothing but the power or the exponent to a. And the value of x is log n to the base a. So instead of writing x, we can also write here, instead of writing x, we can also write a raised to the power log n to base a. And that is equal to n. So these are few expressions that you will see, and I hope you understood all the concepts here. Sometimes you will find expressions like log 100. Then it is understood that log 100 is to the base 10. And in mathematics you will see sometimes base is not written here. So you will just find log 100. So it is understood that if no base is written, then it is understood that the base is 10. So log 100 to the base 10 is equal to x what? So let's find it out. So it means to the base 10, the exponent or the power is x, which makes it 100. Now on the left hand side, it is 10 raised to the power x. On the right hand side, 100 can be written as 10 multiplied by 10 or 10 raised to the power 2. So you can equate it with x is equal to 2. Alright, so log 100 to the base 10 is equal to x, and you can replace x by 10. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you understood the concept. In case you have questions, please write in the comment section. I will get back to you soon. Thank you.